A child hot in a the bang, yeah man. Light up the chalice, me open me mind. The smoke rise up, leave the world behind. In a the hills where the silence sing, me hear the call of the Rasta King. Me not chase riches, me chase vibration. Each puff a journey, each breath salvation. Me third eye open, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me long fear. We fly high on a mystic plane, beyond the borders of worry and pain. Roots deep yet stars in sight. Lion guide we through the night. Mystic high, me soul take flight. Me chant in a darkness, me shine like light. In a the clouds, me spirit roam, but me heart always find home. Me burn the Babylon lies one by one. Let them fade like mist and the morning sun. Me levitate pan rhythm like leaf and stream. Each stone a portal, each base a dream. Me dance with the ancestors, chant them name. Call them in circle, call them with flame. Smoke her like serpent, wisdom wide. Me inhale peace, exhale the pride. Me not lost, me just elevated. Them call it high, me call it sacred. Is not the herb make you blind or slow. It's the world that lies both what you know. So take a draw and close your eyes. Me show you lands beyond the skies. No passport, no plane, no ID card. Just ganja leaf and Jah as God. We fly high on mystic ride. Zion calling from deep inside. Rootsman vision, ancient code. Me carry the fire, me walk the road. Mystic high and it not fade. Me meditate where lions laid. Echo in a mind, thunder in chest. In the smoke me find me rest. Me nah fear death, me nah fear man. Me only fear feet forget job plan. So me chant, me write, me build again. A temple of dub in a heart of men. Me sip coconut under stars so wide. Me reason with moon, me nebula guide. The cosmos listen, me soul respond. Every rhythm a bridge, every note a bond. Lion fly through sky. Her up so sweet, me nah ask why. Truth in smoke, love in sound. Hung in a mystic high, me Jah is found. Yeah, Zion inna the jungle. Yeah, man. We meet ya under moonlight's way, in a corner where the incense play. You had eyes like African storm. Me soul get warm, me heart transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave, like star on fire, Jah children brave. High on love, so naturally. You and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise, just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chanting tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like Riddim in a Naya Bingi, like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote, the bassline steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love, and that's enough. Even when the road get rough, with you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean, more real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one, forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of roots and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend, not just a fling. This not pretend. I am love, not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame, soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far, like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far, in this life and every part. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rasta is so high. Yeah, man. Me rise up early, sun warm the face. Steam from me chalice in a sacred space. Me no rush life, me trot slow and wise. Watch the lion cloud dance across the skies. Every breath a blessing, every step a song. Me chant on Babylon, but me not dwell too long. Me spirit light like feather from bird. Jah whisper truth in a every word. Me sip roots tonic, feel earth in me vein. Nature talk deep, me can't explain. Me sight elders in a leaf and tree. Them teach me how to truly be free. Rootsman rising in a the misty morning. Blazing fire, smoke give warning. No chains for me soul, no fear in a eye. Me chant with the wind, me reason with sky. Rootsman rising higher each day, treading through the hills where spirits stay. Ital in a bowl, ganja in hand. Meditation strong, overstand the land. Them can't cage the lion with concrete wall. Me soul too wide, me spirit too tall. City Niles can't drown me thought. Me meditate deep in the truth me caught. Me no live for gold nor digital fame. Me life write scripture, no need no name. Me chant Selassie, I burn out vanity. Me walk with honor, pure integrity. I nitty with hydrogen, we share one plate. Me pass the herbs, me pass the faith. Babylon brings stress, them always in a race. But the Rasta walk slow, still win the pace. Mount Zion call me like drum in a night. Me spirit get wings, me vision get sight. No textbook teach this kind of feeling. Just ancient vibes and deep in a healing. Roots man not judge, me not condemn. Me just chant for the youth them fi guide them again. Light up the fire, not just the spliff. Light up your mind, let the soul up. Rootsman rising, in a the misty morning. Blazing fire, smoke give warning. No chains on me soul, no fear in the eye. Me chant with the wind, me reason with sky. Rootsman rising, higher each day. Treading through the hills where spirits stay. I tell in a bowl, ganja in hand. Meditation strong, overstand the land. Me remember youth days, confused and wild. But the herb teach me like a mother to child. Me learn to listen to me heartbeat drum. And me learn set peace don't come from gun. Me see Babylon glitter, but it all fake. Them build the system and lie and take. But Rasta man build life and give and grow. Me water the seeds, me watch them show. Me hold the reasoning under moonlight. Talk about Africa, justice and rights. Me say love is the law and freedom the goal. Me trod with Jah light, me nurture me soul. So me rise again like sunrise flame. Me nah play a role, me nah join no game. Rootsman eternal, never done. Me walk with spirit, me shine like sun. And if them ask, what guide you so strong? Me say herb Jah and the Iration song. Me nah preach, me live, me nah fake it. Me roots run deep, no force can shake it. Them want fi rule, but them time soon done. The wicked them run when the trumpet sound. Them build them throne pan blood and gun. But Jah Kingdom rise, them can't tear down. Me see the ghetto youths them cry. Me see the hungry belly, me hear the sigh. The leaders fake, them tell beer lie. But judgment near, the truth not die. Them sell out the land, them poison the sea. Them take what's ours, but them can't take we. Me chant for the sufferer, me chant for the free. Jah warrior strong, me move like tree. The roots run deep, it never shake. The system weak, it full up a fake. Me hold my faith, me never break. Jah open the door, me walk through the gate. Oh Jah, me call upon your name. Guide me steps, keep me sane. We hold the light, we stand unchained. The righteous march, them can't restrain. Jah Kingdom come, it a shine so bright. The wicked fall when we chant all night. One love, one fire, the warriors fight. Babylon shake when we hold Jah light. Them try fi buy me soul, but me can't sell out. Them a push war, but me chant and shout. Them a spread fear, them a move in doubt. But Jah children strong, we turn things round. Me see the soldiers rise up tall. Them hear the call, them break the wall. Them can't hold down Jah children at all. The kingdom rise, it never fall. Me chant the psalms, me chant it loud. Me see the rain wash off the cloud. The wicked hide, them can't be proud. The trumpet blow, it shake the crowd. The fire blaze, it burn out lies. The righteous ones, them not disguise. The warriors march, them hear the cries. Jah love still rule, it never die. Stand firm, me say stand up wise. Lift up your voice, open your eyes. The truth still reign, it never disguise. Jah guide the way, no more goodbyes. Jah Kingdom come, it a shine so bright. The wicked fall when we chant all night. One love, one fire, the warriors fight. Babylon shake when we hold Jah light. So me walk, so me chant, so me never stop. Jah blessings rain, me cup full up. No matter the fight, no matter the plot, the righteous rise, we reach the top. So me walk, so me chant, so me never stop. Jah blessings rain, me cup full up. No matter the fight. Aye, aye, yeah. Rasi pida rasi, oh yo yo. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above, with roots of Svetka and seeds of stars. Yaman Babylon calling, trying to make us fall, but we stand like mountains, proud and tall. In every heartbeat, I feel the fire, a spirit of freedom, pure desire. They may try to divide, to break us down, but love is a kingdom where we wear the crown. No man's a stranger, no one's alone. Together in unity, this world's our home. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above, with roots of Svetka and seeds of stars. In the eyes of a child, I see the light, a hope so pure, so warm, so bright. They dream of a world without fear or hate, where freedom rings and love is faith. Vitos, lift up your voice, let's make a sound, a melody of peace that shakes the ground. From the hills of Zion to the city streets, in the reggae rhythm, our hearts meet. And when the day breaks with golden rays, we give thanks and love, come what may. Through stormy skies and darkest night, just love and guidance keep us right. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above, with roots of Svetka and seeds of Valarka. So plant the seeds and let them grow in every soul. Let love flow. One world, one heart. Zion and Oz. Ay, ay, ay. I'm dreaming, feeling so alive, with the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Yeah, man, pull up once in the morning, sun peeking through. Grab me flip-flops and a cold drink too. Headed to the shore where the sea meets the sand, with me guitar in hand. Life is oh so grand, ay, ay, ay. I met a girl named Luca with a smile so bright. She said join me for a swim, it feels just right. We dove in the water, splashing all around. In this moment, we both felt profound. Ayaya Island, dreaming, feeling so alive, with the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Dominate
brighter that evening under the starlit skies. Static dance to the music, just her and I, with the sound of the ocean and the fire's glow. We shared our dreams, let the good vibes flow. Lil Gus spoke of travel, adventures to seek. Vitas wanna see the world from mountain to peak. Vitas told her of my journeys across the wide sea. In this moment we felt so free. Oh, life's a melody, we're writing the song. With every little heartbeat, we're where we belong. In the rhythm of love, we'll follow our fate. Together we'll wander, it's never too late. And I island dreaming, feeling so alive. With the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. On trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise here, we find our peace. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show.
Try to keep we low, but we still stand tall. Jah light in our heart, we nah go fall. The system full of chains, them build up the wall. But my spirit too strong, me hear Jah call. Me see the ghetto youth a fight to survive. Them lock off the hope, but we still stay alive. Them want keep we blind, but we open we eyes. Jah children strong, we not compromise. Me hear the drums beat, me feel the vibration. Me chant pon the hill, me bring the salvation. Me speak for the youth, me heal the nation. Babylon can't stop, Jah foundation. Them push beer war, them push beer crime. Them a take what's yours, them a take what's mine. But righteousness stand the test of time. Jah give we the sign, the sun still shine. Oh Jah guide we step, protect we soul, nah make we forget. Rise up strong, me nah show regret. Me hold the faith, me spirit set. Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. Me see the hungry, me see the poor. Me see the ones who can't take it no more. But me tell them hold on, the blessing sure. Jah open the gate, me walk through the door. Them try to silence the voice of the youth. Them can't change history, them can't hide truth. The roots too deep, me stand pon the proof. Me chant out loud, me word bear fruit. Them talk about peace, but them move with war. Them sitting at the chair and them drive big car. While the ghetto man suffer, the youth live hard. But me know say one day, them judgment start. Me hold firm, me nah lose sight. Me chant pon the rhythm from morning to night. The lion inside, me spirit ignite. Me fight for the love, me stand for the right. Stand up, me say stand up, I lift up your voice, let Jah name fly. No more fear, no more cry. Jah light a shine in our sky.
Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. So me walk, so me talk, so me hold me ground. Jah lift we up, me nah go drown. No matter the fight, no matter the sound. We blessed, we strong, we hold Jah crown. We rise up still. Jah give we the strength and we climb the hill. Them a spread their lies, them a push bare ill. But the righteous a chant and we not keep still. Me see the fire burn, me see the tables turn. Me see the wicked a run when the truth return. The system set trap but we live and learn. Jah children strong and the blessings confirm. Me hear mama cry, me see the youth them lost. Them caught in a war, them a pay the cost. The leaders a smile while them soul get tossed. But the righteous win, no matter the frost. Me chant the psalms, me walk with pride. Me hold the faith, Jah dey on me side. No fear in a me heart, no place fi hide. Me spirit too strong, it a deep inside. Oh Jah guide we way, light up the dark, keep the wicked away. Warrior spirit, me nah go stray. Me chant the truth, me live fi pray. Warrior spirit never fade, never break, never bow. We rise up strong and we stand up now. One love, one heart, we chant out loud. Babylon fall when Jah light show proud. Them try to buy we soul but we nah sell out. Them a push war but we chant and shout. Them a take and take but them soon run out. The real ones rise, them can't push out. Me see the world need healing, me bring the cure. Me step in a the battle, me heart so poor. Me fight for the truth, me stand up sure. Jah Kingdom rise, it a shine secure. Me see the lion roar in a darkest time. The trumpet a blow, it a judgment sign. The wicked them scatter, the righteous climb. Me tell every soldier, this a Jah time. Them a move like snake, them a whisper low. Them can't stop the light, so them fear the glow. The tree of life, it a grow and grow. The river of love, it a flow and flow. Bridge stand tall, me say stand up firm. Hold faith, hold love and learn. The fire inside, it a always burn. Jah guide we path at every turn. Warrior spirit never fade, never break, never bow. We rise up strong and we stand up now. One love, one heart, we chant out loud. Babylon fall when Jah light show proud. So me walk, so me march, so me never stop. The blessings flow and the cup full up. No matter the fight, no matter the plot, Jah warriors rise and we reach the top.
Ay ay ay. Tie punching at the chalice, yeah man. Walk on the sun with the breeze in on me face. The ocean whisper truths from a sacred place. No phone, no chains, no digital mind. Just me and Jah and the blessings me find. Me look to the hills where the rootsman trod. Barefoot in the earth, me connect with God. No preacher need tell me where truth reside. Me find it in silence where love can't hide. Jah knows I'm home, me spirit rest. In the stillness, me heart confess. No gold, no throne, me seek no crown. Me rise with the sun, me lay me burden down. Jah knows me path through joy and strife. Me chant for peace, me live one life. Me roots within, me soul grown free. Me not lost, Jah walk with me. Me sit pan a rock and me reason inside. Me see me pain but me can't let it ride. Me burn some sage, me play naya bingy drum. Each beat a reminder me strength come. This world full of noise but me choose sound of nature and love, not Babylon frown. Me chant in a silence, no need for stage. Me wisdom they deep like the words of a sage. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. All me need is the most I name. In a garden of life, me sow good seed. Me harvest peace, me reject greed. Every leaf tells story, every breeze a prayer. Just speak through the river, the fire, the air. So if you're lost, just listen close. The answer's inside where the heart bridge Jah knows I'm home, me soul is still. Me climb Jah mountain, me drink from the hill. No fear, no war, no system chain. Me live for love, not for gain. Jah knows me way, though road is long. Me carry truth in me humble song. Me roots within, me stand up tall. In a Zion me rise, me can't fall. Me hear children laugh and me heart rejoice. Me know Jah live in every vice. The lion and lamb shall lay down same. When man stop fight with fortune and name. The fire inside now blazing hate, but cleanse the lies and open gate. Me nah shout loud, me whisper calm. Me walk with peace, me hold me psalm.
Zion calling, me can't ignore. Hear the rhythm, me feel it more. The ancestors chant, them voice so clear. We trod the way, we know Jah near. Them want to lead we astray, but me know the way. Jah Jah show me the light, me kneel and pray. The river flow, the trees them sway. Me feel the spirit, me can't delay. The system falls, them tell them lie. But me see truth, me reach the sky. Me hold the love, me let it grow. The seeds we plant I go surely show. Zion calling, me can't refuse. We chant Jah name, we never lose. From the mountain top to the ocean deep. Jah Jah guide with my soul to keep. The journey long, the road so steep, but me not turn back, me soul now weep. We hold the vision, we set the pace. We know Jah love, we feel the grace. Them push we down, them try to chain, but we rise again, we break the strain. From generation to generation, we build the nation, one foundation. Zion calling, me can't refuse. We chant Jah name, we never lose. From the mountain top to the ocean deep. Jah Jah guide with me soul to keep. Oh, me heart a beat to the ancient drum. We forward still, we can't play dumb. We hear the prophecy, we feel the sound. We know the truth, we Zion bound. Me see the sunrise, me feel the breeze. The children laugh, the elders tease. The cycle turn, the message spread. We live for love, we nah go dread. We stand up firm, we hold with space. We move in love, we chant in grace. The wicked try, but them can't prevail. The ship set sail, we break the jail. Zion calling, me can't ignore. We hear the rhythm, me feel it more. The ancestors chant, them voice so clear. We trod the way, we know Jah near. Jah rule over all. Them build the city pon suffering. Them take from the poor, can't govern them. Me see through them lies, me know the scheme. Babylon rule with wicked dream, but Rasta trod strong, we never weak. The truth of Jah, me always seek. No shackles pon me, me spirit free. We chant down Rome in a unity. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Them poison the youth with the things them sell. Fast money, bad mind, lead them to hell. The children cry, them mothers wail. The fathers lost, them souls for sale. But Rasta know the righteous way. Me chant it loud, me never stray. Jah light a shine, me vision clear. Babylon fall, it draw near. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Chant it high, chant it strong. Rasta youth, we can't go wrong. Hold the faith, the time is near. Babylon shake, them live in fear. Me see the fire, light up high. Jah wrath, can't deny. The elders know, the prophets tell. The system sink, it can't rebel. So me chant till the morning come. Selassie I kingdom soon overcome. No longer we live in chains. Babylon burn down in flames. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Oh, 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 hear me cry. Babylon fall, can't deny. Rasta rise, truth stand tall. Jah rule over all. Zion roots. Oh, Jah light never fade away. We shine bright like the morning ray. From east to west, from shore to shore. The blessing flow, me heart secure. Me rise in the morning, me give thanks and praise. Jah bless me heart, me spirit raise. The wicked try fi block me way, but me keep on trotting, me nah go stray. The struggle real, but me still hold firm. Me learn me lesson, me take me turn. No darkness can stop me flow. Jah light shine bright, me soul aglow. Jah light shine forever, never dim. Me walk with faith, me nah go sin. From deep in me heart, me know the way. Jah lead me through, me nah go stray. Them a come with them illusion. Me see through the tricks, me no confusion. Me chant me psalms, me hold the vibe. Me stay connected, me nah divide. Them want me silent, them want me weak, but me strong like the mountain peak. The spirit talk, me hear the call. Me stand up firm, me never fall. Jah light shine forever, never dim. Me walk with faith, me nah go sin. From deep in me heart, me know the way. Jah lead me through, me nah go stray. blessings flow, it can decrease. The road get rough, but me still stay strong. Me hold the faith, me trod along. Jah guide the youth, Jah bless the land. Me sing me song, me take me stand. Them spread the lies, them spread the fear, but love and truth are the anthem here. No matter what, me hold me line. The victory sure, the sun must shine. Jah never fail, Jah always near. Me lift me voice, me make it clear. Jah light never fade away. We shine bright like the morning ray. From east to west, from shore to shore, the blessing flow, me heart secure. Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. Ooh, ay, ay, ay. Zion roots. Yeah, yeah, oh. Them try fi hold we down, but we still rise. The fire in our heart, you can't disguise. We trod through the storm, we feel the pain, but Jah bless we like falling rain. Them tell we hush, but we can't stay quiet. The people suffer, the system riot. The youth them lost, them seek the way. We chant the truth, we never stray. Me see the ghetto cry, me feel the strain. Me see me brethren locked in pain, but me know one day we break the chain. Jah light a go shine again. Rise up, stand tall, no bow down at all. The righteous a march, the wicked a fall. The truth a go shine, the darkness fade. Jah there, we never afraid. Rise up, hold faith, the time is near. The people unite, we conquer fear. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Babylon system tumble down. The leaders blind, them can't see the way. Them sell them soul fee, gold and pay. Them turn them back upon the suffering poor, but Jah open a brand new door. Me see the mothers cry at night. Me see the youths them lose them light, but me tell them hold on, stay strong. The journey rough, but the road not long. Me trod pon the battlefield, me can't retreat. Me burn corruption, me burn deceit. The fire blaze, me spirit high. Me know Jah there, me can't deny. Rise up, stand tall, no bow down at all. The righteous a march, the wicked a fall. The truth a go shine, the darkness fade. Jah there, we never afraid. Rise up, hold faith, the time is near. The people unite, we conquer fear. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Babylon system tumble down. Them think we weak, them think we done, but Jah warriors can turn and run. We move like thunder, strong like sea. We chant the psalms, we set we free. The mountain high, the road it's steep, but Jah guide we me soul keep. The victory near, me feel the sign. The righteous rule we light up the time. Me see the world change, me feel the shift. The youth them wake up, them see the trick. No more chains pon we mind. We break free, we take we time. Me see the elders talk the truth. Them teach we how we guide the youth. The trumpet sound, me hear the call. The wicked shake, them kingdom fall. The Zion train, a comfy we. The righteous step in a victory. Them try to stop we, but we can lose. We dep on Jah mission, me not confused. Me see the warriors, me see them rise. We chant the psalms, we touch the skies. The ghetto youth, them wake today. Them see the system, them break away. No more chains, no more lies. We trot for Zion, we claim with prize. Zion train a roll, jump on board. The righteous move, the lion roar. The fire blaze, the trumpet sound. The walls of Babylon tumble down. Zion train a roll, no time for wait. We leave behind the wicked state. The sun arise, the blessing flow. The time is now, Jah make we grow. Me see them build, them tower high. Them try fi block the morning sky. Them take the land, them take the sea. But Jah creation, always free. Them send them soldier, them send them cop. Them lock the people, them set them trap. But me spirit high, me can't bow. The truth reveal, Jah show me how. The table turn, the youth them wise. Them find the truth, them open eyes. We chant the songs from long before. The prophecy can't change no more. Zion train a roll, jump on board. The righteous move, the lion roar. The fire blaze, the trumpet sound. The walls of Babylon tumble down. Zion train a roll, no time for wait. We leave behind the wicked state. The sun arise, the blessing flow. The time is now, Jah make we grow. We can't look back, we can't turn round. The journey long, but we Zion bound. The river flow, the mountain high. But Jah guide we, by and by. The elders tell me, from the past. The wicked reign, but them can't last. The cycle turn, the light now shine. We step in a Zion, the land divine. The youths them march, the drums them beat. We feel the rhythm, we feel the heat. We chant your name, we spread the love. We link with ancestors up above. Me see the victory in our sight. The trumpet sound, the world ignites. We burn the evil, we break the chain. We make sure Babylon feel the pain. No stopping now, we too far gone. We trod the path from dusk till dawn. Them try to lock we down, but we break the chain. We rise up strong, we feel no pain. Them want to blind we, but we see clear. The lion roar, we have no fear. Me see them build up wall, fi keep we out. Me see them poison, the truth we doubt. But me spirit high, me stand up firm. The tables turn, no Babylon burn. Me trod the road, me hold me guide. Me walk with Jah, him by me side. No shackle strong, enough fi bind. The people rise, the sun still shine. No chains can hold we spirit free. We rise like mountain, just wait and see. The fire in our soul, it never die. We chant Jah name, we touch the sky. No chains can hold we, no lock, no key. We burn corruption, we claim we victory. The lion wake, the people strong. We fight for justice all life long. Me see the ghetto youth, them struggle long. Me see them fight, me see them strong. Them nah go bow, them nah go stray. The system try to lead them way. Me see the elders talk the past. Oh Babylon, system never last. Them trick the people, them spread them fear. But Jah truth, I shine right here. Me chant me psalms, me keep the faith. Me know Jah love will change the state. The battle hard, the fight not done, but righteousness soon overcome. No chains can hold we spirit free. We rise like mountain, just wait and see. The fire in our soul, it never die. We chant Jah name, we touch the sky. No chains can hold we, no lock, no key. We burn corruption, we claim we victory. The lion wake, the people strong. We fight for justice all life long. The walls them crumble, the truth reveal. The wounds them heal, the blessings real. No longer lost, no longer blind. The righteous rule, the people shine. The battlefield set, the warriors rise. We look the wicked in them eyes. Them can't stop Jah mighty plan. We take we place, we claim we land. Me see the fire blaze up high, the trumpet sound across the sky. The youth them march, them chant the song. The revolution just begun. The chains them broke, the chains them fall. The people free, we standing tall. No longer slaves, no longer weak. We find we voice, we start to speak. Jah bless we, guide we way.
Zion roots. Oh, oh, oh. One love, one unity. Jah bless me, me set me free. The world divide, but we stand strong. We come together, sing Jah song. Me look to me brethren, me look to me sister. We fight for the truth, we fight till the end. We nah go bow, we nah go break. Me know Jah love, me can't forsake. Babylon push, them try fi oppress, but me hold Jah light, me stay so blessed. No matter the distance, no matter the land, we hold together, hand in hand. One love, one destiny. We are fight for peace, we are fight for unity. No more war, no more pain. The world must change, the world must gain. Them try to divide, them try to confuse, but Rasta know we never lose. The mission clear, the road ahead. We rise again, we break the dread. The love of Jah, it never fail. The righteous sail, the wicked pay. So me chant it high, so me sing it loud. We nah go hide, we Rasta proud. One love, one destiny. We are fight for peace, we are fight for unity. No more war, no more pain. The world must change, the world must gain. Me see the future, me see the youth. Them full of passion, them full of truth. We teach the wisdom, we pass it down. We make sure love are the only sound. We build the kingdom upon righteousness. We chant Jah name, we stay so blessed. Me see the morning, me see the light. Jah lead the way, we walk upright. We nah go falter, we nah go fear. We hold Jah close, we keep him near. From Zion gate to the ocean wide. One love, one heart, we full of pride. Oh, oh, oh. One love, one unity. Jah bless me, me set me free. The world divide, but we stand strong. We come together, sing Jah song. One love, one unity. Jah bless me, me set me free. The world divide, but we stand strong. We come together, sing Jah song. One love, one unity. Jah bless me, me set me free. The world divide, but we stand strong. We come together, sing Jah song. One love, one unity. Jah bless me, me set me free. Zion rules. Oh. Rebel heart can't lose the fight. We trod through the dark, but we shine so bright. Rasta youth rise, we never back down. Jah guide me, me wear the crown. The struggle real, me feel the pain, but me know the sun must shine again. Me walk on fire, me walk on
Them try fi erase, but the spirit of the lion can't be replaced. Me stand up tall, me fight for truth. Me hold the wisdom, me guide the youth. Them try fi silence the voice of Jah, but me chant so loud, them can't go far. From Kingston town to Africa, we stand up firm, we warrior. Rebel heart beat strong, never stop. We keep trotting till the wicked drop. No matter what, we rise again. Jah Jah bless we can't complain. The fire blaze, it can't go out. Me chant me song, me scream and shout. Me see the light, me walk the way. Jah Jah guide me every day. Me hold the faith, me trod the line. No obstacle can't stop me shine. Me see the signs, me hear the call. The righteous rise, the wicked fall. So me chant me psalms, me beat me drum. Me nah go rest till the kingdom come. We forward still, we never back. We burn the system, we not turn back. Rebel heart can't lose the fight. We trod through the dark, but we shine so bright. Rasta youth rise, we never back down. Jah Jah guide me, me wear the crown.
Zion roots, yeah man, the lion roar, the fire burn high. Jah bless me soul, me not tell no lie. From Kingston to the world, we are stand tall. Reggae vibration, hear the roots call. Me step on the road with a righteous mind. Me can't let Babylon take me shine. Them want me fall, but Jah guide me way. Me chant a psalms, me kneel and pray. Riddim in my veins like the river flow. Truth in me heart make the whole place glow. Me nah bow down to the wicked plan. Me chant the truth, me a Rasta man. Rhythm of the lion, hear the drum play. Roots and culture we not stray. Jah Jah guide we night and day. We a chant Babylon away. Them can't stop the fire we burn so red. Me trod pan Zion, no fear, no dread. Me see them plot, me see them scheme, but Rasta not fall for no wicked dream. Me hail highly the conquering king. Every youth fi know the blessing him bring. No war, no hate, just love me sing. On the battlefield, hear the trumpet ring. Rhythm of the lion, hear the drum play. Roots and culture we not stray. Jah Jah guide we night and day. We a chant Babylon away. Freedom sound in the air. Jah Jah bless me, me have no fear. Rasta never move unaware. Me burn out wickedness everywhere. Me see the struggle, me see the pain. Me see me people fight again. But unity strong, we are hold the line. One love, one heart, make the whole world shine. The system corrupt, them can't deny. Me chant it loud, me can't comply. Selassie, I show me the way to go. Reggae music are the healing flow. Rhythm of the lion, hear the drum play. Roots and culture we not stray. Jah Jah guide we night and day. We a chant Babylon away. Jah bless the youth, Jah bless the land. Hold the faith, overstand. No matter the trial, no matter the test. We keep the fire, we always bless.
flash, thunder roll. Babylon shake, them lose control. Me see the fire, me feel the heat. Rasta rise up, can't take defeat. The trumpet blow, the time is near. The righteous chant, we have no fear. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the whole world hear the voice of Rasta. My walk with Jah, me trod pan truth. Me blaze the fire, me stand up youth. Fire in the sky, watch Babylon fall. Rasta youth rise, we standing tall. Jah light shine bright every day. We chant down Rome, we never stray. Me hear the cries, me see the pain. Me know the struggle, me feel the strain. But Rasta strong, we never bend. We hold the faith until the end. The system lie, the system fake. Them try fi take, but we not break. Selassie I, the truth me know. Jah bless me, me spirit grow. Fire in the sky, watch Babylon fall. Rasta youth rise, we standing tall. Jah light shine bright every day. We chant down Rome, we never stray. Me burn them lies, me burn them chains. My free me mind from all the pain. The future bright, me hold the line. The fire blaze till the end of time. So me chant, me pray, me fight, me war. We rise above, we trod so far. No evil plan can take me soul. Jah bless me, me still stay whole. From generation to generation, we hold the strength, we hold the mission. We never fall, we forward on. The fire blaze till Babylon gone. Fire in the sky, watch Babylon fall. Rasta youth rise, we standing tall. Jah light shine bright every day. We chant down Rome, we never stray. Fire blaze, watch the wicked run. Jah judgment can done. Lightning flash, thunder roll. Babylon shake, them lose control. Zion roots, oh yeah. The morning light to shine. Rasta youth arise. This year Jah divine. Them want we weak, them want we fall. But Jah guide with me standing tall. Them try to hold we down, but we rise up high. Me can't let Babylon take me sky. Me feet on the ground, but me eyes on the stars. We reach for Zion, can't live behind bars. The system cold, but me heart still warm. The struggle's real, but me spirit transform. We ancestors chant, them words in our me veins. We keep the fire burning, now go live in chains. Rise up strong, me people rise. Jah bless me, open me eyes. Me nah go bow, me nah go run. The battle hard, but Jah kingdom come. Me hear the thunder, me see the storm. But me walk with Jah, me can't deform. Me trod with love, me trod with grace. The righteous path, me can't erase. Them try fi tempt me, them try fi test. But Rasta know say, me always bless. fi separate, we try fi divide. Put one foundation, we Rasta pride. So me chant me song, me lift me voice. Fight the youth them lost, me make the choice. Selassie guide me, me fear no foe. The journey long, but me spirit glow. Rise up, the battle done. The righteous rule, the race fi run. Me give me thanks, me hold me ground. The fight